Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Just had this beautiful new 2021 model year GS20 Nautique arrive. This is the shortest one in the GS lineup, which is a multi-sport boat. Awesome boat for doing everything out on the water, whether it's a day out on surfing. You can see you've got your NSS system here, an NCRS with surf pipe. Fantastic wake, even for a 20-foot boat to get out there and go surfing. Speed up a little bit. Awesome wakeboard rope. You've got a big tower here with plenty of storage for all of your board racks. Also has a pop-up pylon here, as you'll see it when we walk up through the middle in the floor. Just give it a quick twist. Pops up. And this does have a setting with the use of your NCRS tab to flatten out the wake and give you a great surface for slalom skiing even. So it truly is that do everything multi-sport boat. Coming in, you can see we've got a lot of seating throughout. Best spot in the boat right here at the helm. Lots of versatility. You can spin around. You got a built-in flip up, full control through your touch screen as well as through your dial. Moving forward, air dam that is removable for those cold days. You can really close off the airflow. Tons of seating up front, and as you can see throughout, we've got cup holders, USB chargers, no matter where you're sitting, so you've got full access. Awesome JL audio system, speakers everywhere, including up top. If you guys have any questions about this boat or any other boat, want to come take it out for a ride, bring your boards, give me a call, 303-875-3988. That's my cell phone. Feel free to shoot me a text as well. Thanks for watching.